Hello, friends. It's me, Mrs. McClure. I know it's been a while since I've been recording actual videos of myself. Um, it's just been crazy with doing both and all the craziness, but I wanted to let you see my face. It's been a while. So, we're going to go over just some skills this morning or today, and then I'm going to show you an assignment. So, I have some slides here and we're just going to go through some together. Okay, all right. So this is like a letter naming fluency game that I've been playing with my class. So I'm going to pretend, I don't have a dice with me, but I'm going to pretend like I rolled a dice. And what we're going to do is we are going to read the letters fluently on the line. So pretend like I'm rolling my dice. And I rolled the number 2. So we're going to find 2, which is this orange one right here. And let's read the row of letters, okay? So as I point with my pointer or with my mouse, we're going to read the letters. So R, T, E, Y, W, R, A. Good job. Now your turn to read it. Excellent. All right, I'm going to roll my dice again. Ready? I rolled the number 5. So which dice on the side shows the number 5? The blue one. All right, so I'm going to read it and then you're going to read it. Ready? Z, A, W, E, R, T, Y. Your turn. Excellent. Let's roll again. Gonna roll my dice. Gonna roll my dice. I rolled a number 1. Ready? Let's find the number 1 on the side. Here it is. Let's read it. A, K, L, M, O, P, I. Your turn to read it. Great job. All right, and we'll do one more. Ready? Okay, I rolled the number 4. So what dice shows the number 4? The green dice. Very good. So I'm going to read it and then you're going to read it. Ready? L, M, N, B, V, C, X. Your turn. Excellent. Good job. Now let's move on to, we're going to skip this. Going to skip this one. And let's move on to some letter sounds. So what we are going to do is we're going to look at the 2 pictures inside each card and we're going to decide, does it have the same beginning sound? And if it does, we'll give it a thumbs up. And if it doesn't, we're going to give it a thumbs down. So for example, I will do the first one. We can do the first one together. So what is this a picture of? A ball. Good, this is a ball. What is this a picture of? A bear. So say those 2 words, ball and bear. Do they have the same beginning sound? Ball and bear. Yes, they do. What is the beginning sound that we hear in ball and bear? The letter B. Very good. And I have a little green check mark here to say yes, that does. Now let's look at the next one. We've got dog and duck. Do you hear the same beginning sound in dog and duck? What is that sound? The d, 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 d sound, right? So they do. You're right. Give me a thumbs up. Let's look at number 3. What about sun and pizza? Does sun and pizza have the same beginning sound? Sun, pizza. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you said thumbs down, then you are correct because sun starts with this sound and pizza starts with the p sound, right? They're not the same. What about ring and turtle? Thumbs down or thumbs up? Ring turtle. I hear the r sound in ring, and I hear the t sound in turtle. Are those the same sounds? No, so thumbs down. What is in the pictures here? We've got quilt and we've got quiet. What do we see in the pictures? Quilt and quiet. Do those have the same beginning sound? Yeah. What letter says qu or qu? The letter Q, right? So quilt and quiet both have the same beginning sound. And the last one, mittens and cookies. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Mittens, cookies. Do they have the same beginning sound? Thumbs down. That's right, because mitten starts with and cookies start with k. Good job. Now let's look at some rhyming words. So we're going to look and say the name of the 3 pictures inside each box. And we're going to decide which 2 words rhyme. Remember, rhyming words have the same vowel sound and the same ending sound. For example, k, at, and b, at. They rhyme because they both have the a vowel sound, right? The letter, the short A, and then they both have the t sound at the end. At, b, at, k, at. Okay, so let's look at the first one. So we've got pen, say pen, web, and bin. Pen, web, bin. What 2 words rhyme? If you said pen and bin, then you got it right. Go ahead and give yourself a kiss on the brain. Mwah. I'm smart. All right, let's look at the next one. We have pig, king, ring. What 2 words rhyme? Pig, king, ring. If you said king and ring, then those 2 words rhyme. Good job. We have one more. So let's take a look at the last row. We've got duck, truck, and 10. What 2 words rhyme? Duck, truck, 10. If you said duck and you said truck are the 2 words that rhyme, then you are correct. Good job. Great, we're going to move on to syllables. We're not going to worry about this. So syllables are kind of like ways that we can break up a word. For example, cookie. Okay, cookie has 2 syllables, has 2 parts to it. Cookie. We can clap, we can snap, or we can count on our fingers how many syllables are in a word. So words can have 1 syllable, words can have 2 syllables, they can have 3, they can even have 4 syllables. So we're going to practice that, and that's kind of what this is going to be attached to, is to a syllable counting activity where you can practice counting or copying out syllables. So let's look. I have the word stocking right here. And we're going to do it together. We're going to figure out how many syllables are in the word stocking. Ready? I'm going to clap it. Stocking. How many times did I clap my hands? 2. Do that with me with your fingers. Stocking. How many syllables are in the word stocking? 2. 2 syllables are in the word stocking. You can also do that with your name, right? Or with my name. Mrs. McClure. How many syllables are in McClure? 2. How about you try that with your name? Let's try another one. What is this a picture of? This is a reindeer. So let's go ahead and let's clap. How many syllables are in the word reindeer? Ready? Reindeer. How many syllables? Reindeer. 2. Good job. What about this? What is this a picture of? And if you're not sure, we can try to read it. And I know you can sound these out. So it says elf, elf, elf. So let's clap. How many syllables are in the word elf? Ready? Elf. Elf. How many times did we clap? One time, right? Elf. So how many syllables are in the word elf? One. Good, we'll do one more. What is this a picture of? Yep, this is an ornament. So let's figure out how many syllables are in the word or is in the word ornament. Ready? Ornament. You try it. That is correct. There are 3 syllables in the word ornament. So if you do it on your fingers, we can say ornament. So right down here where it says the number 3 is where we would put our 3. Good job. So for your assignment today, what we are going to do is I'm going to show you. So this will be your assignment in Seesaw. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the picture and we're going to clap how many syllables are in the word. So the first one, let's do the first one together. What is that a picture of? Pizza. So pizza. How many syllables are in the word pizza? 2. So what you would do is you would take your ring right here and you would drag it and put it over the number that shows how many syllables. So for the first one, the number 2. And then you would go along and do all of these other pages on the side. That is it. Well, let's see. I can, there we go. I miss you guys so much. Those of you that I don't get to see in person or I haven't seen in a while, I miss you and I love you. And I hope that you have a great day. Okay? Bye-bye.